You have heard about people selling products every single day on the internet and they are making so much money, $10,000, $100K, $1 million selling digital products every single month. You can name them. A lot of gurus, people who are coaching, people who are selling diverse of products online. And you are wondering, how are they selling it? Where are they selling this product that they are making this amount of money? Today, I want to walk you through 5 top platforms that these guys are using to sell digital products. When I say these guys, I mean we that sells digital products on the internet. Usually, when we're talking about platforms to sell digital products, it simply means that either you have a digital product that you're about to sell, or you have a digital product you are thinking about creating right now, or you are thinking about before you start to create to sell. You are wondering, if I create this product, where will I sell this product? How can I get paid? What are the platforms? What platform is best for what? Now, let us start with platform number 1. Very, very important platform. Now, when it comes to platform number 1, this platform is synonymous to handmade and vintage platform. Anything that has to do with handmade stuff, crafts, this is where it is sold. But don't be deceived. That does not mean that you cannot sell digital products on this platform. I'm talking about Etsy. Etsy has a massive audience craving for unique creative items, from printable to handmade products, physical products, and even digital products, right? Now, this platform offers a wide range of reach for digital product creators. With Etsy, you can get tools to optimize your shop, run your promotions, and connect with buyers on the platform that can literally start to buy your products as soon as you upload them on the platform. But Etsy is not really the best fit for all digital products. Let's find out what other platform we have that we can sell other digital products. And that leads us to platform number 2. This second platform is built with creators in mind. I'm talking about Gumroad. Gumroad is all about simplicity and direct connection with your audience. When you go to Gumroad, the number one thing you will notice is the fact that this platform is created for writers, artists, musicians, and more. That is what primarily this platform is made for. Coupled with the fact that it is very easy to set up and you retain full control over all your products and your customer data. Plus, it offers a powerful marketing tools that will help you to grow your business. This platform is unique. Like I said, it's made for artists. However, what can artists sell on this platform? They can sell their music, their songs, they can sell products, you can sell any form of digital product, eBooks and the like. As a matter of fact, nowadays, people don't even know that this platform was made originally for writers, artists, and musicians. Because when you go there, you will see all diverse and all manner of digital products that you can begin to sell to the audience. But how does Gumroad compare to other platforms when it comes to reaching a wider audience? Let's explore the third platform. Now, if you are looking to create a branded online store without any hassle, then platform number 3, which is Selfie, might just be the answer for you. Now, Selfie lets you build a beautiful online store in minutes. You can sell digital products, physical goods, and even subscription-based products. It is packed with marketing features to help you boost sales, engage with your customers. One thing I like about this platform is the fact that it gives you full control for you to be able to create a branded store, especially if you have a service or a product that you really need to make sure that your brand shine on this product. Then Selfie is what you need. But Selfie is not the right choice for everybody. Now let's see how Selfie stack against other competitors in the same field. Let's look at marketplace number 4. Marketplace number 4, where you can sell your digital product, is especially created if you are an expert looking to share your knowledge. I'm talking about Teachable. Teachable is a platform that you cannot ignore in 2024 and 2025 and beyond, because Teachable is specifically designed for creating and selling online courses. Yes, I mean you have something to teach, you have knowledge, you are an expert, you have a certain skill, and you want to transfer that skill to other people so that they can pay you for the value that you provide via a course. Then Teachable is a platform for you. You can build engaging courses, offer drip content, and even create community around your teachings. It is fantastic. Now, while Teachable is a great platform for course is not the only digital product that you can sell on the internet. So what other platform can we use to sell other forms of digital products like ebook and the rest? And that brings us to digital platform to sell your product number 5, which is one of the fastest growing digital products that is making creators make so much money, which is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. It's called Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is a giant in the publishing world with massive audience to sell your ebook to. Now, KDP gives you the power to publish your ebook directly to Amazon's Kindle store. You retain control over pricing and royalties and Amazon Kindle's distribution. When authors are looking for the best platform that they can publish their ebook and sell their books, whether physical or e-copies of their book, then Amazon KDP is definitely the best option for self-publishing authors and the like. Now, talking about self-publishing authors, the truth is, one of the best ways that you can make money online right now is by actually writing your own books, yes, and selling them on Amazon. By the time you have your own book or ebook and you sell them on Amazon, that establishes your authority. That is why it is called author. And if writing and publishing books is one of the ways that you want to begin to put your digital product out there, my best recommendation will be this next video, where I show you how to be an author in 24 hours, literally using this AI to create your own ebook right now and start selling it on Amazon platform to generate up to $10,000 per month. Go click the video and watch that video on how to become your own self-publishing author. If you've not liked this video yet, please go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, entrepreneurial content, how to sell digital products, how to create them, and how to add value to other people from your skill, knowledge, and expertise. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.